Avengers stuntman Taraja Ramsess dead at 41 after fatal Halloween car crash with his kids. Taraja Ramsess, a stuntman who worked on films including Black Panther and Avengers Endgame, died after being involved in a car crash that also claimed the lives of three of his kids. Family and friends are mourning the heartbreaking loss of Taraja Ramsess and three of his children. The stuntman, who worked on movies including Black Panther, Avengers Infinity War, and Avengers Endgame, died along with three of the five kids when his vehicle collided with a tractor trailer in Atlanta on Halloween night, according to local outlet WSB-TV. He was 41. His two daughters, Sundari 13 and 8-week-old Fijibo, were killed during the crash. His son, Kisasi, 10 years old, who was placed on life support after being rushed to the hospital, also succumbed to his injuries. Ramsess' mom actually spoke out after the devastating accident to honor her beautiful, loving, talented son and shared that two of her granddaughters survived the accident, including 3-year-old Shazia, who remains hospitalized with minor injuries after being ejected from the vehicle. All we know and met him now how special Taraja was. Akili wrote in a moving Instagram post November 1st, he had a deep capacity for love and loved his children more than all. He loved his martial arts, motorcycles, and all things related to filmmaking. He had a very droll yet wicked sense of humor and yet could be as corny as can be.